Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be introducing something new, and I'm going to be showing you how I got these cute bouncy curls with the Flexi Rod set. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I already added my leave-in conditioner in the shower, which was the Pantene Hydrating Buttercream from the Gold series. So now I'm going to be using Let's Jam from Dark and Lovely to actually hold my curls. I know this product is a jam, but it did not hold my hair down for nothing when I tried to slick it into a bun or a top knot. So I thought maybe it's thick enough to hold a Flexi Rod set, but it won't be that thick to make my hair crunchy or hard. So now that I combed the product through, I'm going to be taking a small section of my hair and taking the orange Flexi Rod, putting it in the front of the section, and hooking it to the back. I'm going to take my hair and wrap it flat on the Flexi Rod, going inward towards my face. So all my hair on the left and right side are all going to curl to the front, which makes it much easier when I'm taking out my hair down from the Flexi Rods and separating them. I know most people like to take the Flexi Rod, put it at the end of their hair and roll up so it's tighter and flatter. And I do this when my hair is dry, but when my hair is wet, it's uneven, and when I roll it from the bottom, a lot of pieces fall out. So I find it much easier to take it from the top and wrap around so I can make it as tight as possible and smooth everything out. I'm going back in and adding more jam to the ends of my hair because the ends of your hair will make or break your hairstyle, so you don't want them frizzy at all. So don't be afraid to add more product. Now I'm just smoothing out my ends and the hair around the Flexi Rods just to make sure everything comes out neat, smooth, and nice. Just in case you guys didn't really see what I did or didn't quite catch it, I'm going to show you guys a couple more times just so you really get the gist of it. Before I put the Flexi Rods in my hair, in each of the 4 sections, I put Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition Marvelous Oil and BioSilk just to give my hair that nice shine. Then I'm just going to work both of those oils into my hair, make sure it's on every strand and the tips, and I'm just going to comb it through. I ended up using a few blue Flexi Rods because I didn't have enough orange ones, but it's the same process. You're going to hook the Flexi Rod to the back of the hair, and you're going to wrap the hair flat on the Flexi Rods going towards your face and smooth it out. Although I'm going to sleep with these Flexi Rods overnight, I'm gonna go underneath the dryer for about 45 minutes, and I'm also gonna leave a link below where you guys could find this on Amazon. So it's the next day, and this is how the whole head of flexi rods look, and now I'm just gonna start taking them down. Now that I've taken down all my flexi rods, I just want to check my roots and my hair to make sure everything is dry before I start sectioning them. Now I'm going to take each curl and separate them individually, but before that I use that same Garnier Fructis oil on my fingertips just so my hair doesn't get frizzly as I'm taking them apart. It's up to the individual about how much you want to take the curls apart. If you want a lot of volume, you're going to take them apart more into smaller sections, but if you don't really mind and you want them defined, you're just going to take them apart a couple times. When you're taking the hair apart, make sure you twist your finger in the direction that you wrap the hair around the flexi rods. So I'm going to twist my hair towards my face. I couldn't find my pick, so I just took a very wide tooth comb and combed out my roots just to add more volume to my hair. This is just a little trick that I do to make my hair stretched and longer when I'm wearing it in front of my face, because I like my hair to be like in the middle of my eyelids, but usually when I'm doing these flexi rods, it's like by my eyebrows. So you just section the top layer off that's in front of your face, you pin it back, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take half of the hair, take a bobby pin, stretch the hair down, and pin it not exactly at the roots, but a little lower, so it stretches the roots down and your bangs are a little longer. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side, and just take the hair that you have pinned back and put it on top of that first layer so you can't see the bobby pins. So guys, this is how my hair turned out. I hope you love it as much as I do, and I really hope this video was helpful to some who don't really know how to use flexi rods and achieve a similar look like this. Thanks for watching, and I will be doing more hair videos in the future. And remember to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe, and to follow all my social media down below. And thanks again for watching.